In the following tutorial, we're going to look at how to make an href anchor tag. This is our existing href anchor tag, but we're going to look at making one for an external page rather than a page for an individual website. Now, if you remember the structure, if we look at our different files, these are the three files that we have as a part of this website. And our anchor tags are linking to those individual files. So about me, myhobbies.htm, and career goals. Well, when we do a link to an external website, we do pretty much the same structure. The only difference is we need to actually add the code in between here, so it says http:// whichever website.com. So I just happen to have a website up, which is for the Asheville Lyric Opera, and I sing with them, so I'm going to make a link to them on this site. Underneath my hobbies, I have a paragraph that says, "Hi, my name is Jonathan Ross, I'm your instructor," and eventually I end the paragraph. So after that, I'm going to make a new paragraph and say, "Opera is also one of my hobbies. I have been singing for many years and now sing with the Asheville Lyric Opera." Now I'll finish my paragraph, and you'll see that if I save this page with Control S or save, and I go back to that page and refresh, you'll see that it now has that new paragraph. Now, one of the things that comes up about links is how exactly to do these. Sometimes you'll see afterwards it says, "Open up their website by clicking here now." Well, that's really a bad idea. The modern trend is to actually take the text that you're actually talking about and make that the link. And so I'm going to make the link and now sing with the Asheville Lyric Opera as the link for what we're doing. So here's how it goes. Let's go to the website and find the link for the page. Notice it says http://www. All that kind of stuff. We want to copy that, go to our HTML page here that we've created, and start to wrap this area with the tags that we need. So ahref equals, ahref equals, and then in quotation marks, we paste the http://www.ashevillelyric.org, finish our quotation marks, we end that tag, and at the end of the text that will actually become the link, I'm going to change this and put my closing anchor tag. Now notice that is within the paragraph tag. There's also one other thing. I'll actually also spell that correctly. And now let's see if I save my page and I go back to the Asheville Lyric Opera page and back to my page and refresh, you'll see that now the Asheville Lyric Opera has become a link. Now there's one other thing that we can do with this, and that is actually make it so that it opens up a blank page. And the way to do that is by giving it a target. And so we will do, after our href and before the ending bracket, I will say target equals underscore blank. And what this does, the target equals underscore blank, that means that it will open up in a new page and not take us off of the page that we're on. So I'll save that with Control S, go back to my site, refresh. It looks the same, but if I click, notice how it's opened up a new tab for the Asheville Lyric Opera, meaning that it did not take me off of this page. If I took off the blank, which you will see here, target equals blank, I'll remove, save the page again, and refresh. Now when I click, you'll see that it opens up the Asheville Lyric Opera website within the same page I was just in. So underscore target equals underscore blank is a very nice thing that you can do with external links. And I believe that is all that I require for your project. I do want you to have at least 3 external links within your different pages. The hobbies is a good place to put it because you can list different hobbies and then link to websites that can tell people more about that hobby. And enjoy.